are you guys? So, I don't know, maybe the last one we'll see it happen. We're gonna look at some of the Class B's, whatever, the bigger ones here. Again, 130 grand before the discount. They want 46,000 off this sucker. This wasn't too bad. I mean, I get it. I've seen some worse, but nice bed. I mean, this is again. You can't really take it into town. I know Kellen RV will have it, but again, I'd rather buy a shuttle from the airport, put a new engine transmission in it, and make it myself and make it simple and just be a weekend getaway. But these are expensive. You know, I don't know. I get it, but found on road dead too. I believe that those are Ford makes them. So these are the older ones are better. Another big one right here. A lot of room in there. And this one. The Camping World. It's a nice one. Lots of room. Nice shower. But yeah, you can't bring these into town. And again, some people will pull their car behind it, which I'm not doing. I'm not having two engines. I'm not doing it. That's stupid. Now you have two engines. Just need a nice fifth wheel. That's all you need. You know, so I don't know. This thing they want a sale price at $124,000. I can buy a truck and a nice Coleman for that. I'm telling it myself around. Look at this bad boy. They want $217,000 this one, and it's right now $142,000. TV there. The big dog, huh?
Yeah. It's a big one.
Oh yeah. Oh man, a lot of room. The kind of person, you drive your car, you pull your house, you drive your car.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people buy these and then they pull their car. Now you have two engines. I get it. For the price you pay for this, you can get yourself a nice fifth wheel, easy to pull, both you can pull, and a truck. They can go anywhere, in my mind. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's money well spent. Nice big bed. I get it, but it's a lot of money. Traveling yachts. Hang out, and there you go. My personal opinion. A lot of money spent on something. And it falls apart, and you try to get it fixed, and you can't get it fixed. Oh. Odyssey. Kind of the same. It's the same kind of. It's nice bed in here. It's nice. Not bad. But what do they want for it? They want $172,000 for this thing. Jesus. They're big dogs, man. Not bad. Look at this sucker. Jesus. Look at that. It's a big dog. You're going to have a big truck to pull this bad boy. They roll out and stuff. 84 grand for this son of a biatch. Oh. Yeah, these guys are out of Monticello. Oh, goodness. Nice. Nice big kitchen. Living room. Yeah, nice big head. Get your workbench and go upstairs, but I don't think you need to. I don't understand that. Cool in the low. These things are heavy. So be careful when you're coming down here. The Odyssey, this one is $130,000. Jesus. No chance. I'm sorry, man. I like the older ones. Dodge made some good ones. They want 107,000. Usually 169. I'm like, oh my goodness. Sit and watch TV. That's the refrigerator. Nice bathroom in here. The head. So where's your workbench? Must be up there. The workbench is up there. So yeah, seatbelts and you hang out and away you go. But it's a lot of money. It's something you really just can't take into town. I think it's a waste of good suffering. Ouch. Look at this big bad boy. Oh, oh my Lord. What do they want for this thing? $86,000. So this is one where maybe you'll just have an RV. It's your cabin, I guess. Good Lord. Oh. Kitchen. Kitchen and living room, am I right? Oh my goodness, this thing's huge. Down the stairs. Oh, nice. But this thing is huge. I'm like, holy balls, the size of basketballs. Wow. Oh my goodness, there's so many things to see. Even kind of nice. Silver Lake, usually 38, 20. That's nice. Nice one. Easy one to pull. Forest River, these ones are. Discount sale price. Got your workbench right there. Not bad. Very nice. Heck yeah. To get over here, so I think probably my last one. I've showed enough stuff. I mean, it's just. We'll go on this last one right here. We'll go with the. This one is 25 grand. How's it going, my friend? You selling him? What's that bell for? They said that means they sell one.
Yep, that's if they sell one in that one.
Okay, I see. All right. Something I got before. I'd make this to my storage room. I'd pull this stuff out, put my golf clubs in there. Anything else? So, all right. Heck yeah. Workbench. That's what I figured that was. They sold one. So, look at that. Heck yeah. So we'll get over there to the Class B's and we'll end this fiasco. Oh. I'm going to have dinner tonight. Go over here, check these things out. These Class B's, those vans right here. Those things are waste. These things are wasting of money. These things, they shove it in there. And it's not bad. That's your bed. I get it, but they want usually 156 for this Winnebago. Yeah, okay. Not a chance. $195. Freedom. 172,000 for this pig. Jesus. Oh my goodness. Jesus. There's that big Challenger. I'm gonna go look at that one real quick. These big bad boys right here. 126,000. Okay. Over here, look at this big dog. Oh my goodness. Ooh, 119,000, huh? Jesus. All right.
Hey John, how you doing today?
Oh my goodness. There you go, you guys. Spent a lot of good money on this thing, but I wouldn't. You've got, you can lock the kids in there when they're misbehaving. You've got your head. You got your bed. And the second head. But is your traveling wheelbarrows, you want to call it, whatever it may be. So, watch TV. So anyways, I think, hope you enjoyed the old 8 or 9 I did here. 13th day of February, 2025. So, getting these little bad boys. Where you go. So, oh, hello.
How are you?
Oh, good. Oh, but anyways,
Yeah, that's
we'll see you in the next ones.